Still storing your files on Google Drive or AWS? Let's talk about why the future of storage doesn't live on Amazon servers. Today we are diving into decentralized storage, what it is, how it works, and how you can plug it into your app in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload a file to IPFS, make it permanent with Filecoin, and access it anywhere without trusting big tech. And yes, it's cheaper, safer, and you don't have to trust Jeff with your memes. When you upload a file to Google Drive, Dropbox, or a cloud, it goes to a giant data center owned and controlled by a single company. They can delete it, read it, leak it, or just lock you out. Decentralized storage flips that upside down. Instead of one company storing your files, thousands of independent nodes store little pieces of it, encrypted, redundant, and spread across the globe. You don't trust a provider, you trust the math. If one node goes down, no problem. Your file lives on like a Hydra with better uptime. Let's meet the main players in the decentralized storage game. IPFS, the Interplanetary File System. It stores files based on their content hash, not location. That means the file is the address. If the content changes, the hash changes. Perfect for integrity. Filecoin kind of like IPFS economic layer. You pay to store files on IPFS with actual incentives. Think of it as Airbnb for disk space. Users rent out storage and you pay only what you use. With permanent storage. Upload something once and it lives on chain forever. Great for NFTs, legal docs, or stuff you never monetized, like your first tweet or your startup's roadmap from 2022. Each has its trade-offs, but all three are decentralized, secure, and censorship-resistant. So why even bother with decentralized storage? No vendor lock-in, nobody ban you or charge hidden fees. Censorship-resistant. Your files don't belong to a server, they are distributed. Redundant by default. If AWS goes down, your app doesn't. Surprisingly cheap, Filecoin's cost per GB is often lower than traditional cloud. Privacy built in. Everything encrypted before it even hits the network. It's not just for crypto bros anymore, it's legit infrastructure. Let's add decentralized storage to your app in minutes. We'll use Web3 storage, which wraps IPFS and Filecoin into one simple API. Step 1. Sign up at Web3 Storage and grab your key to upload files to IPFS and back them up with Filecoin, all with one line of code. Step 2. Add the SDK. Now let's upload something and use these to access it later. You just uploaded a file to IPFS, its content address immutable and baked up on Filecoin. No bucket setup, no ACL headaches, just pure content address magic. Who's already using it? NFT marketplaces store image assets on IPFS, so the art doesn't disappear when the website goes offline. Mirror published blogs on Airwave forever. Audius is a decentralized Spotify storing music with IPFS. Web3 games use it for item metadata, level data, even skins. It's fast becoming the default backend for projects that need resilience, decentralization, or content immutability. We used the store files on floppy disks, then USB drives, then Dropbox. Now your files live on a decentralized mesh of global nodes owned by no one. Available to everyone. Decentralized storage isn't a Web3 gimmick, it's the natural evolution of cloud infrastructure. You just uploaded your first file to IPFS. You're now storing things across space and time. Not bad for 5 minutes. If this blew your mind even a little, like, subscribe, and come back for more deep dives into building the future. If you are building something cool with IPFS, Filecoin, or Airwave, hit me up at duplex.com. Let's decentralize some stuff and stay in tech.